today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the page title in Elementor. This is a simple process but crucial if you're looking to create clean, polished web pages without unnecessary clutter. Whether you're a seasoned web designer or a beginner just starting, by the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to make your pages look exactly how you envision them. First, let's start by opening your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Pages section, which you'll find on the left-hand menu. Here, you'll see a list of all the pages you've created. Select the page you want to edit by clicking on it. This action will bring you to the Edit Page screen. Now that you're on the Edit Page screen, look for the blue Edit with Elementor button. Clicking this button will open the Elementor editor, where you have full control over the page's layout and design. In the Elementor editor, you need to focus on the panel on the left side. Scroll down to find the Settings section. Click on it to open a set of new options. Within these settings, you'll notice a tab labeled Page Layout. Click on Page Layout to reveal the drop-down menu. Here, you should see different layout choices available. To remove the page title, you want to select the Elementor Canvas or Elementor Full Width option, depending on your specific design needs. Elementor Canvas will give you a blank canvas to work with, while Elementor Full Width maintains your header and footer but removes the title section. Once you've selected the desired layout, remember to click the green Update button at the bottom, ensuring all your changes are saved. If you want to double-check or see how the changes appear live, click the eye icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. This will open a preview of your page, allowing you to verify that the title is indeed hidden from view. Before we wrap up, let me share a quick tip. If you find you often want to remove page titles, you might consider setting a site-wide default layout. To do this, from your WordPress dashboard, go to Elementor Settings, and under the General tab, you can define the default layout for all your pages. This can save you time, ensuring consistency across your site without having to adjust each page individually. By following these steps, you've now successfully removed the page title using Elementor. Your pages should now look cleaner and more professional, perfectly aligned with your design vision. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing!